everyone, welcome to all of you. I hope you all fine. I'm absolutely fine. As you know, I'm Sharmila. Today I'm here to tell about helping verb. Those verbs are important our daily conversation. So, yesterday we read about tenses. Am I right? Yes, of course. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Today my topic are do and does. Do and does are most important helping verb mm, uh, help help to our daily conversation. So do you know that? If you know that, write in comment box. If you don't know that, no problem. I will tell you about do and does. For example, do you know him? Does she know him? In this case. So we can use do with I, we, you, they and many person. It means plural subject. On the other hand, does we can use with he, she, it, one person. It means singular subject. How can you practice do and does? If you want to practice at home, you should follow me. In this way, you have to practice. Do you know him? Of course, I know him. No, I don't know him. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. No, I don't like it. Do you go to market with your mom? Yes, I go to market with my mom. No, I don't go to market with my mom. Does she go to market with her mom? Yes, she goes to market with her mom. No, she doesn't go to market with her mom. Do you know him? Yes, of course I know him. No, not at all. I don't know him. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. No, I don't like it. Do you like to eat Maggie? Yes, I like to eat Maggie. No, I don't like to eat Maggie. Do you want to go to movie? Yes, of course. That sounds great. Uh, I want to go to movie. No, I don't want to go to movie. Does she want to go to movie? Yes. She wants to go to movie. No, she doesn't want to go to movie. Does he want to go to movie? Yes, he wants to go to movie. No, he doesn't want to go to movie. Does she play Ludo? Yes, she plays Ludo. No, she doesn't play Ludo. She love her mom? Yes, she loves her mom. No, she doesn't love her. Everyone? Yes, she bothers everyone. No, she doesn't bother everyone. Does he? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. No, I don't know him. Does she know him? Yes, she knows him. No, she doesn't know him. Do you want to go to movie? Yes, I want to go to movie. No, I don't want to go to movie. Does she want to go to movie? Yes, she wants to go to movie. No, she doesn't want to go to movie. Does he want to go to play? Yes, he want to go to play. No, he doesn't want to go to play. Does she play with me? Yes. Does he play with me? Yes, she plays with you. Does he like Maggie? Yes, he likes Maggie. No, he doesn't like Maggie. So, friend, did you recognize that difference between do and does? Have if you have recognized, if you liked it, share and subscribe it. Thank you.